Welcome to Camera Lab. If you're looking for the best slow-motion cameras that shoot at an incredible 120 FPS, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a content creator, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing stunning footage, these cameras offer unmatched quality and performance. From 4K resolution to compact designs, we've handpicked the top models that will elevate your videography game. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below for the latest prices and more details. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. DJI Osmo Action 4K Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4K camera is a game changer for those who want incredible slow-motion footage. With its ability to shoot 120 FPS at 1080p, you can capture every detail in stunning clarity. The camera features dual screens, perfect for vlogging or self-recording, and boasts excellent stabilization for smooth, shake-free videos. Its rugged build ensures it can handle any adventure, whether you're skiing, diving, or just capturing everyday moments. The 4K video quality at 60 FPS is equally impressive, making it a versatile choice for all types of footage. With its waterproof capabilities and responsive touchscreen, the DJI Osmo Action is the perfect companion for your filming needs. Extra Muse 4K Vlogging Camera. The Extra Muse 4K vlogging camera is ideal for content creators who want to shoot high-quality 120 FPS slow-motion videos. With its 4K recording capability, this camera delivers stunningly detailed footage, and its 120 FPS slow-motion mode allows you to capture crisp, beautiful motion sequences. It features a flip-up screen, making it easy to frame yourself for vlogs or other solo shoots. The camera is equipped with a high-quality microphone input, ensuring your audio matches the impressive video quality. It's perfect for beginners or professionals who want a user-friendly camera without compromising on performance. With its lightweight and compact design, it's portable enough for on-the-go shooting. 4K USB Streaming Webcam. For those who need a 120 FPS camera for live streaming, the 4K USB Streaming Webcam is an excellent choice. This webcam supports smooth 120 FPS recording, allowing you to create flawless slow-motion content for your streams. The 4K resolution ensures that your stream is crystal clear, while the autofocus and wide-angle lens provide flexibility for different setups. It's plug-and-play, making it super easy to use without complicated setups. The webcam is compatible with most streaming platforms, including Zoom, OBS, and Skype, making it an excellent choice for professional streamers. Whether you're gaming, hosting a talk show, or doing tutorials, this webcam will elevate the quality of your streams. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Camera. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera offers unparalleled portability and amazing slow-motion capabilities. With its 120 FPS slow-motion recording feature, you can capture every motion with stunning detail. The 4K resolution ensures crisp, clear video, while the compact design allows for easy one-handed shooting. Whether you're shooting fast action or creating cinematic effects, the Osmo Pocket 3 provides stable footage thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. The built-in touchscreen makes it easy to adjust settings on the go, and the camera's small size means you can take it anywhere. It's perfect for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who wants a powerful camera without the bulk. 120 FPS 4K USB camera. The 120 FPS 4K USB camera is a fantastic option for anyone seeking a reliable and affordable slow-motion camera. It captures stunning 4K footage at an impressive 120 FPS, making it ideal for creating smooth, slow-motion sequences. The camera is easy to set up, simply plug it into your computer via USB and you're ready to start shooting. It's perfect for recording videos, live streaming, or creating tutorials. The high-definition video quality ensures that every frame looks sharp and detailed. With a built-in microphone and excellent low-light performance, this camera is an excellent all-around choice for content creators. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Combo. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 combo takes everything you love about the original Osmo Pocket and elevates it with additional accessories for a complete filming experience. This camera shoots in stunning 4K at 120 FPS, allowing you to capture incredible slow-motion footage in a compact design. It features the same 3-axis gimbal stabilization as the standard Osmo Pocket 3, ensuring smooth, professional quality video. The combo pack includes a waterproof case, tripod, and additional filters, giving you everything you need for outdoor adventures and vlogging. Whether you're shooting action-packed scenes or cinematic beauty shots, this combo provides versatility and exceptional image quality. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerhouse designed for capturing ultra-smooth slow-motion videos at 120 FPS. With 4K resolution and advanced stabilization technology, this camera offers high-performance video quality, even in extreme conditions. It features a dual screen design, making it perfect for vloggers and solo creators. The 5 Pro version offers enhanced features like a larger battery and upgraded image sensors, providing even more reliability for long shoots. Whether you're filming sports, underwater adventures, or capturing scenic landscapes, the Osmo Action 5 Pro ensures that every frame is sharp, stable, and professional looking. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Combo offers an incredible set of features for those who demand the best in slow motion and action footage. With its 120 FPS at 4K resolution, it's perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects or creating dramatic slow-motion effects. The combo includes essential accessories such as a waterproof case, extra batteries, and filters, giving you everything you need for a full shooting experience. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth footage even during high-intensity activities. Whether you're snowboarding, diving, or filming high-speed sports, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Combo is a versatile and powerful choice for content creators. DJI Osmo 360 Adventure Combo. The DJI Osmo 360 Adventure Combo is a unique 360-degree camera that lets you capture immersive, slow-motion footage in 120 FPS at 4K resolution. This camera is perfect for adventure enthusiasts who want to capture every angle of their experience. With the 360-degree capture, you can create dynamic content that transports your audience into the scene. The combo includes a set of accessories, including a helmet mount and additional batteries, allowing you to take your camera on any adventure. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or skiing, the DJI Osmo 360 captures every moment in stunning detail and smooth slow motion. DJI Osmo 360 Helmet Combo. The DJI Osmo 360 Helmet Combo is the perfect tool for action sports enthusiasts who want to capture their extreme moments in 120 FPS slow motion. This camera offers 4K resolution with 360-degree video capture, ensuring that every angle is covered. The included helmet mount makes it easy to record hands-free, and the camera's rugged build ensures it can handle the toughest environments. Whether you're riding a bike, skiing, or hitting the slopes, the DJI Osmo 360 Helmet Combo ensures smooth, high-quality footage. The combo package includes extra mounts and batteries for extended shooting sessions, so you never miss a moment. Nextbase 622WG 4K Dashcam. The Nextbase 622WG 4K Dashcam is perfect for capturing high-definition footage while you're on the road. With its 4K resolution and 120 FPS slow-motion recording, it delivers crisp, clear video that captures every detail, even in low light. The dashcam is equipped with advanced features like built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and Alexa voice control, offering convenience and functionality. Its 140-degree wide-angle lens ensures that you capture everything in front of you, while the smooth, slow-motion playback adds an extra layer of detail. Whether you're driving or documenting your trips, the Nextbase 622WG ensures you're always recording in high quality. That's my roundup of the top best 120 FPS slow-motion camera options available right now. Each of these cameras offers something unique, so choose the one that fits your style and needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and details. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Camera Lab, and share this with fellow creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.